Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. The only tools you need to change your blower motor are a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit. It can be helpful if it's on a ratchet. The blower motor is right here under the glove box on the passenger side. But before removing the blower motor, I have to remove this cover over the wiring harness. There are two Phillips No. 2 screws. Your wiring connection for the blower motor is right here. Push the tab in and pull it out. Then there's one wiring harness clip. You can pop that off with a screwdriver. And now there are three Torx T25 screws holding the blower motor in. I like to start in the back because it's usually the harder one to get to. Then as you remove the last screw, the blower motor is going to want to fall out, so you're going to have to hold that up while you take it out. And just drop straight out. Then take your new blower motor, stick it up in the hole, make sure the little duct goes into its hole, and then put the screws in partially by hand just so it doesn't fall out on its own. And then tighten them all. Make sure you don't over tighten them because they will just strip the plastic. Then plug the motor in, install the harness clip, and put the cover back on. I hope to get one screw in part way and then get the other screw in. And you're all done. Turn on the car, make sure the motor runs. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.